Hey everyone, my name's Colton, and today I'll be setting up the ozone syringe. Before we begin, you will need your oxygen source and ozone generator ready to continue with this setup. If you still need to set up your oxygen source or ozone generator, please watch our videos on how to set those up first. For this setup, you'll need an ozone syringe and the check valve connector set, which is included with your ozone generator. I'll be using the 60 ml syringe, but this setup will be the same for any size. 60 ml syringes are most used to perform sinus insufflations, whereas the 200 ml syringe can be used for sinus insufflations or rectal and vaginal insufflations. To begin, you'll attach the check valve connector to the ozone out port of the ozone generator. Then, you'll turn on your oxygen source and set the flow rate to whichever you would like, but 1/8 is very commonly used. Now, you'll turn on the ozone generator to whichever setting you need, and immediately after you'll attach the syringe to the fitting on the end of the check valve connector set. The syringe will then start to fill with ozone. Once it's full, you will disconnect the syringe and then turn off the ozone generator. You can then place the syringe on the table with the tip facing up to avoid any ozone from leaking, as ozone is heavier than air. Now, you can turn off your oxygen source. Thanks for watching. Check out our other YouTube videos for more information and be sure to follow us on social media. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell for future videos.